Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export from Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting data from Salesforce is a straightforward process that can be done in various ways depending on your needs, whether you're exporting a specific report, a list of records, or even complete data backup. All right, so the first thing that you need to do once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher. That's beside the setup. It's grayed out, but if you hover your mouse, you'd see some colorful circular buttons. Click that and type in reports. You see that? You would be forwarded to the interface wherein for us to be able to do an exporting, all you have to do is simply create a new report. For example, I'm gonna click on new report. I'm gonna create a new from scratch so we can export it later in just a moment. Wait for it to load. Now, this method is ideal for exporting specific sets of data like opportunities, leads, contacts, or custom report data. Now, once it's loaded, you're going to be having an option here that says a drop down. I want you to click the option that says export. Okay, so wait for it. Now, on the export option, there's going to be two choices. The formatted report, wherein you can export the report, including the report header, groupings, and filter settings. You can choose from these format, Excel format and a lot, and if you click on the details only, you can export the details rows and you can use this to do further calculations or for uploading to other systems, whichever you prefer. For example, I'm going to click on the export view. I'm going to click on export. You would notice that the download has started, and as you can see, once I'm happy with that, all I'm gonna do is locate the file in my folder. If I wanted to export on the encoding, you see there's gonna be a lot of options: Unicode, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and a lot more. These again are the format: Excel format .xls and .xlsx. You also have the option to export in .csv or comma delimited, which is also available. It's not available, sorry, for the first one, only in the details. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.